Let's go XRP. See, I'd cash out, or I wouldn't cash out. I'd move it and borrow.
And we'll be able to refinance at lower and lower interest rates. Like, that's the other cool part. Similar to, like, imagine starting your real estate portfolio in the 80s and the interest rates you would have paid back then. But if you had continued to, draw the equity out, pull a HELOC, have it where it was making money for you, refinance it at a lower interest rate, decade after decade. That's how these people have built $100 million, billion dollar.
That's the Rockefeller waterfall method, isn't it?
Yeah.
And then when you die,
Yeah,
because you're dead, it goes ding, 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 and it starts all over with your kids.
right.
And if they do
insurance,
Yeah, and if they do it right, it'll do all over with their kids.
Yeah.
That's why there's these massive old money families that's been waterfalling for their whole life, and they borrow everything.
Yeah.
So that's why I would never sell. I wish I never sold any of my Bitcoin, because let's say 250 times whatever it is, 100,000. That's
it's 25 million.
Yeah. So I just borrow against it, and then you got to pay it back. Well, do you? You ever see that meme where he's like, "You sure about that?" That's what I think about when someone goes, "Well, you got to pay it back." I'm like, "You sure about that?"
So the way we do it is we'll take a portion that you borrowed and we'll structure an annuity that makes the payments for you.
And they're happy to do it.
Yep. And then we'll take another portion and we will fund reinsurance on the debt that you borrowed. And when you pass away, that reinsurance covers the debt, and then the asset passes directly to your family.
And the insurance
is the wrapper that moves it to your trust, and it goes tax-free inside the insurance policy.
Yeah. So you're basically never having to repay it.
It's infinite banking, but for crypto.